play with quick parts. Word quick part features make it easy for us to insert reusable pieces of content. We're in page 2. I'm just going to click anywhere in the document here, and then I'm going to go to View and click on 100%. Gets us a little closer. And then I'm going to go to Insert and then click on the Header button. This is called our header gallery, and I'm going to scroll down until I find the semaphore header style. There it is. Now the semaphore header includes 2 property controls. We see one for the author and one for the document title. A property control is a content control that contains document property information, or it gives us placeholder text if no document property information is entered. So I have not entered anything into our document properties yet, so it is blank. Right now it just says your name. So I'm going to type in my name now. And then for document title, I'm going to call it Mount Kenya, Safari, and Beach. And again, the formatting is automatic, so since it's a title, it's automatically doing it in all caps. I did not have to hit all caps for that to happen. So now just to give you an idea of the options here, I'm going to go over here to where it says header, and then I'm going to scroll down and select a different option now. I'm going to select filigree. And then what it did is it took my title and my name and it reformatted it based on that selected option. I'm also going to go over here where it says header from top, and right now it says 0.5, and I'm going to click down twice to move the header up to 0.3. Now since it's no longer in all caps, I am going to go ahead and change the first letter of the appropriate words. There we go. And now let's go to our footer. So I'm going to click on the footer button here and scroll down to find the matching footer. So I'm going to find retrospect. There it is. And the retrospect footer includes an author name, property control, and a page number field. But notice that this footer is formatted as a table. I can tell because we see the move arrow here, and if I click on it, we see that there are 2 rows. Now I'm going to click in my name here in the footer. I'm going to go over here to Table Tools Layout and click on the Select button here on the left. I'm going to select the cell, and then I'm going to press Delete. And I'm going to click OK, which moves it to the left and moves the page number to the center. Now that I have deleted that quick part, I'm going to add a different quick part in the same place. We're going to click here on my header and footer tools in the design tab. And then over here where it says quick parts, I'm going to click that drop down and select a document property. And this time I'm going to select company. And then this gives us the company name instead of the author. Right now it's blank. I'm going to type in Quest Specialty Travel and hit enter. Now I'm going to click here on the table move handle to select the entire table, and then I'm going to go over here to my font colors and change it to this green that matches the rest of my document. There we go, it's looking great. And while we're here in the design tab, I want to see my entire bar here. Right now it's being cut off by this building block here, so I'm going to go up here where it says footer from bottom, and I am going to click down 4 times to move it down here below the image itself. Much better. And then now that I'm done with the footer, I'm going to go ahead and click out of it and back into my normal document. Now let's add a cover page. So I'm going to click on Insert, and then over here in the Pages group, I'm going to select this drop down that says Cover Page, and that's right, there are some pre-formatted cover pages ready to go, and it's already picking the color theme that we had selected. And I am going to scroll down here. Let's see our options. I'm going to go ahead and select this motion option here. Oh, that looks so neat. And it automatically put in our title right here. It put in an image, which we can change out, of course. And then we can populate the year. Now here, I could type in a year, or I can select this drop down here and select today, and it will automatically populate today's year. Now I'm going to click here where the title is, this black shape here. And then I'm going to go into my drawing tools, and let's change the fill to the brown accent too that we've used before. There it is. That looks great. Oh, but let's change the outline too. I'm going to click back in the shape, and where it says shape outline here, I'm going to select the white background 1. There we go. That looks great. Now let's click on this shape over here, which right now is like a tan color, not really matching our theme. And let's change that to the green accent one that we've used quite a bit of. Oh, beautiful. Now let's scroll down. And again, we're going to change that image out here in a minute, but let's look at the bottom and see how it automatically populated my name, the company name, and then today's date, all using quick parts. I didn't have to retype any of it. So now that we have all that taken care of, let's change this picture to match our theme. I think a lion would be great. So I'm clicking on the image here. I'm going to go to Format. I'm going to right click on the picture itself, and select Change Picture. Now it's going to ask me from File or from Online Sources. Let's go ahead and click on Online Sources, which will open up the Office Online Pictures, and it's using Bing to search for images. I'm going to type in lion, photograph, and we'll see what it can come up with. Oh, these are some beautiful pictures. There's so many options here. I'm going to go ahead and select this one. I think this one looks pretty neat. I'm going to click Insert, and then as you can see, it changed the image out to this beautiful lion picture. Now let's go ahead and click on View Multiple Pages once more so we can see how it's looking. Oh, doesn't that document look beautiful? And just think, it didn't take us that long to do this. And then I'm going to go to Insert and click on the Pictures button. And now let's add the logo for our company. So I'm going to go into Documents, and here is the logo. So I'm going to double click on that. I'm going to go over here to Position, and I'm going to select a position in bottom left with square text wrapping. And then it puts it down here at the bottom left of our document. And that is what our final document looks like. Doesn't it look professional? These quick parts and building blocks are just amazing to me. Come check out our tour on Mount Kenya Safari and Beach. Love it. And that's it for this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. In our next video planned, we are going to talk about merging Word documents, including mail merges, which will be a lot of fun. So stay tuned for that one. Subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you later.